Hello, today I'm in Ford Kuga. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster display. Here we've got the speed limiter and cruise control, and panel, thanks to which we can manage them. And right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase the volume, decrease it, change radio station and song, answer the calls and the calls, and activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.